welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you were seeing, we have an amazing recipe today. Oh my god, I hope you will be enjoying watching as always. And after watching, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe for more amazing videos. These are all the ingredients that I will be using. I have salt, seasoning powder, black pepper, and this chili sauce, and also some soya sauce. If you don't have this Chinese seasoning, you can add the soya sauce, it's just okay. And also some cooking oil, and here I have the rice. Yeah, let me start by boiling the rice first, before continuing with another step. Keep watching. At this point, the rice is ready, and yeah, keep watching and let's make our sauce together. I hope you are enjoying watching so far. Please give me a like, comment, and also subscribe for more amazing videos are coming, okay? Now I'm adding some cooking oil in the pan, and after adding the cooking oil, I will be adding my onions. I used white onions. You can use any kind of your choice, any kind of onions, and yeah, so keep watching. I'm going to be adding ginger and garlic, and after adding the ginger and garlic, then I will be stirring just a little bit. Stir it, so that it can fry a little bit. Not too long, but I think 1 to 2 minutes it's okay, because the onions is getting ready. And now I'm adding some salt, and after adding the salt, then I will be adding the black pepper. Yeah, continue watching, guys. As always, please give me a like, comment, and also subscribe, please. Thank you. The food is almost ready. If you are watching at this point, thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for your support and your love. I really appreciate. Thank you. And this is the last ingredient that I'm adding, the pineapple. And yeah, rice will be ready. Oh my goodness, this rice was amazing. Try it at home for your friends, for your family, for yourself. Yeah, so that you can enjoy enjoy your meal. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe for more amazing videos. Just subscribe. More amazing videos are coming, content and all of that. Yes, thank you so much. Oh my god, this rice was everything. Try it and you will not regret it. Thank you so much. See you. Bye.